So first impressions, I think this is a really cool case. It definitely feels slim in the hand and once again, quite grippy. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear case with grips for none other than my beautiful iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. And now, what is special about this particular version of the case is it is actually MagSafe compatible because now Speck is using this inverted grip design wherein the grips are actually sort of like cutouts in the case rather than lines that come out of the case. So we will see this when we get out of the box, but now before we do that, I've got to give a huge thank you to Speck for sending me this case out for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Presidio Perfect-Clear with grips, built-in magnets, and over here it says it's got a warranty. It's got 13 foot of drop protection. I'm guessing that's what it means. It's got a clear guarantee, and it's for the new iPhone 6.7 inch, which, yes, that is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And right here, it is compatible with MagSafe. We can also see the case through this clear area of the box, and right here it says Speck in pretty big letters. Over here on the back, it says, once again, compatible with MagSafe. Talks about the warranty, the 13 foot drop protection, and also the antimicrobial product protection. So anyway, without further ado, let's just get this box open because I am very interested in checking out this case right here. So here it is. Wow, talk about an easy unboxing experience. It is all out of the box now, so let's just go ahead and put it on my iPhone. Here's the 13 Pro Max. We can just pop it right into this case right here, and let's see. Boom, there it is. And wow, this is pretty cool because the last time I unboxed one of these Speck grip cases on the channel, it did not have MagSafe compatibility, so I'm super happy to see that in this case right here. I also really love this design because since it is clear, I can see the beautiful Sierra blue color of my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And as I've been around, I'm noticing a lot of people have these iPhone 13 Pros or 13 Pro Maxes just based on seeing that Sierra blue color. It seems like a lot of people got the Sierra blue, so that is cool right there that this case allows me to continue to show off that color right there. So yeah, also another first impression, I am definitely noticing that grippiness because while you can feel those ridges, you can feel them right here on the side, you can feel them right here on the back, but I think these side ones right here, you can feel them a bit more, and yeah, that is pretty cool right there. So let's take a tour of this case. Right here we got a Speck logo right there, got a cutout for the massive camera bump on this phone. Over here on the bottom we got cutouts for the speaker grills as well as the lightning port. Over here on the side we got some more of these little ridges right here, and you know what, I think I figured out why you can feel the side ridges more. It's because they actually do pop out, whereas the back ridges, those are the inverted ones that go into the phone. So that actually makes sense why you can feel that more, because you can definitely feel these guys right here. If you run your hand really fast on it, I wonder if it might start to hurt. You can feel them so much. But yeah, right here we've got the volume buttons, so let's play with them. Okay, yeah, you definitely have to apply a bit of pressure to them, but it feels like with a lot of cases you have to do that. So right there we got the volume buttons. Over here we got cut out for the mute switch. We can go and play with that. And over here we got the side button right there if you want to talk to Siri or put your iPhone to sleep. And yeah, so first impressions, I think this is a really cool case. It definitely feels slim in the hand, and once again, quite grippy. So anyway, let's test out that MagSafe. First of all, we can do it right here with my Apple MagSafe battery pack. So you know what, let's just slap it on the phone right here, and voila, it is charging nice and easy, and I think it looks pretty cool with the MagSafe battery pack on this case. What do you guys think? I think this is pretty cool. And yeah, so that works. Now let's test it out with another MagSafe accessory. I have right here my Apple MagSafe wireless charging puck. We can just slap this on and boom, that is now charging as well. So that works right there. And yeah, I just can't get over how cool this like grips design on the back is. So now for me personally, the case that I always use with my 13 Pro Max when I have it around my home is this Apple clear case right here. But now what I'm wondering is maybe will I switch to this Speck case instead, because once again, I really like clear cases and I just think this added grippiness is pretty cool. And this case definitely feels more substantial and sturdy than Apple's own case, because Apple's case right here, it is a whole minimalist vibe that it's got going for it, because over here on the bottom, it's got a huge cutout instead of individual cutouts for each little part, like the speaker grills and the lightning port. So you know what? I'm gonna pop the Apple case on and see how it feels compared to the Speck one. So let's see, can we get this out? Gotta try a bit harder to get this out than with the Apple case, but let's just put on the Apple case right here. And let's see, yeah, this definitely feels more minimalist in the hand, which is nice, but the Speck feels much sturdier and definitely much grippier, because this is definitely a bit of a slippery case right here with this slippery plastic material it's got going on. So let's pop the Speck one back on and see how that feels now that we've felt the Apple again. And here we go. Yeah, it's much easier to get this case on the iPhone than taking it off right there. And yeah, once again, this feels sturdier and more substantial and also obviously grippier. So this is a pretty cool case right here. I like it. And I mean, if you guys want this Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear case with grips and MagSafe for yourself for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it'll set you back about $55, which is actually $5 more than Apple's clear MagSafe case, which will set you back about $50. So it is a tad more expensive, but if you really want the grips and also what feels like more protection, that $5 could not really mean anything to you right there. So with that, there's not really much more to say about this case. I do in fact like it right here. I think it's pretty cool, but let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. I do read all the comments, by the way. And also, if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 13 Pro Max case, I will have a link down in the description to my playlist of all the different iPhone 13 Pro Max case videos I've done here on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel to help you guys find the perfect case just for you. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button as well and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, and also all those iPhone 13 Pro Max case videos. And I mean, yeah, folks, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.